Year is quite eventful for every governor. My friend Vinod, because of whom I am here, because he is one who somehow manages to get it. That is his skill. Himanshu, who has been following, Lalit, I think he spoke very well. I think his shairi was worth laudable. Give him applause. This girl, wonderful girl, Dhwani, who performed a beautiful Bharatnatyam, Ganesh Vandana, and fellow Rotarians. Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
My name is Rotarian J.B. Kabra. Easiest method to remember my name is remember Cobra. और ऊपर का मात्रा उड़ा दीजिए, रिमाइंडर इज काबरा. That too guaranteed black cobra. कलर गया तो पैसा वापस. कोई भी साबुन इस्तेमाल कीजिए, साबुन काला होने का खतरा ज्यादा है. फेयर एंड लवली, फेयर एंड हैंडसम, वो सब अपने आगे झक मार. The point, ladies and gentlemen, is very simple. You must accept what you cannot change and change what you can. And this beautiful lesson I learned from a prayer class of a small organization in Mumbai, which is called Alcoholic Anonymous. The prayer goes, serenity prayer. God grant me serenity to accept the things which I cannot change. Courage and strength to change the things I can. And wisdom to know the difference. हे भगवान, जिस परिस्थिति को मैं नहीं बदल सकता, उसे स्वीकारने के लिए आवश्यक मन की प्रसन्नता मुझे दो. जिस परिस्थिति को मैं बदल सकता हूं, उसे बदलने का धैर्य और ताकत मुझे दो, और ये दोनों का फर्क समझने का ज्ञान मुझे दो. That's all. What I can change and what I cannot change. Ladies and gentlemen, before even I start my topic, let me tell you, I am alive today only because of Rotary. Only because of Rotary. I am a Rotarian for the last 25 years. I stay at Thane. Thane, now our club strength is almost 26. And one gentleman who is a thorough Rotarian and my friend, Dr. Sandeep Kadam. I will name him personally. I am alive only because of him. I was diagnosed with blood cancer, acute promyelocytic leukemia. My platelet count had fallen down to 9,000 and WBC count, which is supposed to be minimum 4,000, had gone down to 200. And that particular day, see the coincidence, our group 21, the clubs in Thane, that time we were 21, they had organized event on platelet donation. And greatest of the great hemato-oncologist, Dr. M.B. Agarwal, was incidentally there to talk on this particular subject. Now these people, this talk was because the same day he had come from Canada, he had hard day for the whole day, then he came in the evening to deliver a talk and he was about to go. And that time I was admitted in Dr. Kadam's hospital. Dr. Kadam and all our fellow Rotarians, they made sure that Dr. M.B. Agarwal did not leave unless he saw me at 1 o'clock in the night. And when he asked me, because these people were suspecting it could be a case of malaria, it could be a case of dengue. And when he saw me, he said, I am suspecting something else. It requires the courage. Sir, I asked him, are you suspecting this as a case of leukemia? He was taken aback. He said, how do you know it? I said, yes, because I have seen during my earlier years, I have seen so many patients of this type. And he says, I am. Then I told him, I immediately remember the serenity prayer. I said, sir, now it is not in my hand कि मुझे ल्यूकेमिया क्यों हुआ. मुझे कोई बुरी आदत नहीं है. मैंने क्या बिगाड़ा था भगवान जो तूने मुझे इस दुर्धर बीमारी से ग्रसित किया. मैं बोला, that is not in my hand, that is not in God's hand, that is not in anybody's hand. But part 2 is in the doctor's hand, part 2 is in my hand. और अगर हम दोनों मेहनत करेंगे तो भगवान को झक मार के मुझे ठीक करना पड़ेगा. और भगवान ने मुझे within less than 2 hours, I was shifted to Bombay Hospital. The treatment started even before, everything was ready, kept ready, even before I reached Bombay Hospital. My papers were made later on. Immediately the chemotherapy started. 22 days I was in a neutropenic condition. Nobody was allowed to enter my room. And when 22nd day, when my bone marrow was taken from spinal cord, I think I was free from cancer, not a single virus of the cancer. Thereafter I went to US. I got myself thoroughly checked. And doctor there told me, you may die because of any other reason, but you will not die certainly because of blood cancer. I said, thank God, at least कम से कम एक बीमारी तो कम होगी जिससे मैं नहीं मरूंगा. So ladies and gentlemen, ये Rotary कर सकती है. This is Rotary network. This is Rotary friends. What they can do. डॉक्टर कदम के साथ मेरा कोई रिश्ता नहीं था, एक ही रिश्ता था, वो फेलो रोटेरियन का था, और उस फेलो रोटेरियन के कारण आज मैं जिंदा हूँ. और ये कई बार मैं वफा करके साथ साथियों, जिस समाज में हमने बहुत कुछ पाया है, उस समाज को देना हमारा कर्तव्य बनता है या नहीं बनता है? Is it not? I said I have worked with veteran social worker Dr. Baba Amte, the gentleman who has worked selflessly for leprosy patients. I have seen the leprosy patients 1973. That time this Hemal Kasab Bhamragar project, the first jhopri was put at our hands. And you must have seen this beautiful movie. If not, please see it. Dr. Prakash Baba Amte, the lead role played by Nana Patekar. And there, all the characters which are depicted in this room, I have lived with them for 4.5 months. And there, Dr. Baba Amte, he, the pioneer in leprosy eradication from the world, I would say, he used to say one thing. Dan nadan banota. Dan nadan banota. But you see, in Chinese there is a beautiful saying which says, if you feed a hungry person with a piece of fish, you are fed him for a day. But you give him, you teach him art of fishing, you are fed him for his life. I recollect when we were there is an organization in the world, Australia, called Food for Peace. Now these people volunteered because we have done UN work. 25,000 leprosy patients were there in our 4 camps put together. And these people wanted to help us by donating wheat. Australia is the world's largest producer of wheat. And the telegram came, sir, we want to donate 10,000 ton of wheat to you because you have been doing such a wonderful work in eradication of leprosy, which ultimately goes in establishment of peace, just now we saw in the video. Can you believe this gentleman, Baba Amte? He said, thank you very much for your offer, but I regret to receive your 10,000 tons of wheat. Instead, I request, please give me the technology by which you take a bumper crop of the wheat. Because if you give me wheat, today I am feeding my patient with bhakri, which is made up of jowar or bajra. Tomorrow your wheat will arrive. I will change over to chapati, but this 10,000 tons of wheat is going to exhaust one day or the other, and I will have to revert back to the bhakri. Then what happens to the peace? The peace will be disturbed. Peace will be disturbed. Peace may be distorted, and only there is a chance that it will get exhausted. And instead that give me that bumper technology, I will take that bumper crops of the wheat in my place, and that peace which will be everlasting peace. तो बाबा आमटे जिनके साथ मैंने काम किया था, उन्होंने बड़ी सुंदर बात कही थी. मैं जब छोटा था, 17-18 साल का लड़का था, मैंने बाबा को पूछा, बाबा हम नौजवानों के सामने there is no person with whose footprints we can follow. And you know the answer came, why you want to follow somebody's footprints? Why can't you create your own? Rotary gives you that platform to create your footprints. You see, all of us who want to create the footprints. Central Railway had put up an ad that time when I came to Mumbai in 78. Now they dare not put it. The reason is very simple. There is no place even to stand, forget of sitting. That time there was sometimes luckily the place to sit was available. And generally you know these seats are facing each other. So what we do? If suppose we find a place, where do we put our footprints? On the opposite. तो वहां पे उन्होंने लिखा था, तुमच्या पावलाचे ठसे काळावर उमटवा, आमच्या सीटवर नको. Means create your foot impressions on your destiny, not on our seats. Is it not a beautiful? Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, I have learned from anybody and everybody. Only thing is what you require is open mind, and you require burning desire in your belly. I am sure you must have read Times of India of last Monday. If not, please read it. There is a lady, Kokila Shah, age 79, cancer survivor, and at the age of 79 she acquired PhD of Bombay University in Vedanta Research Studies. At the age of 79. There is another gentleman. You know, all these paper cuttings are with me. In fact, this Kokila Shah's paper cutting is right here with me. There is another gentleman called Dr. Rajendra Bharude. Now, this gentleman is from very Adivasi district of Nandurbar, from a community which is nomadic tribe, which is called as a Bhilda. Now this nomadic tribe, their family tradition was either to elicit, brew that illicit liquor or go for hunting. Now, when they were brewing this illicit liquor, the customers would come, and this small boy was there, and his family would send him to get that chakna. You know, मालूम है चकना? रोटेरियंस को फिर से बताने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. क्योंकि for every important function, that is the most important agenda. Happy hours. Unfortunately, today they are not there. Am I right? Good. Congratulations to Imanji. I work for a company manufacturing liquor. Smirnoff is my vodka, Malibu is my rum, Green Label is whiskey, Old Gold is whiskey liquor. But I have never tasted liquor in my life. Never tasted liquor in my life. Had I wanted, I could have taken straight through pipeline. Direct पहिल्या धारेची. मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतो आपण? पहिल्या धारेची. I have never tasted. So this family would tell him to get a chakna, and his mother, who was an illiterate lady, but she had a dream. And now this lady said, नाही, माझ्या पोराला मी चकणाऱ्याला पाठवणार त्याची परीक्षा त्याला अभ्यास करू दे. And one of the customers said, तुझा पोरगा काय डॉक्टर आणि कलेक्टर होणार आहे? पाठव त्याला. She said, no, माझा पोरगा डॉक्टर आणि कलेक्टरच होणार आहे. And can you believe this gentleman, small gentleman that time, his age was hardly 7-8 years old. From that day onwards, he dreamed of being doctor and collector. Studied, stood first class, first in 12th standard. Got admission in Gurudev, that Navodaya schools, which were started by government of Maharashtra. Did extremely well. And he wanted to be engineer. But somebody told him, why you want to be engineer? By being engineer, you can only do the welfare of your own family. But if you want to do the welfare of the society, you should be a doctor. So he took admission to GS Medical College, that is Govindram Saxena Medical College, KM Hospital. Now he was funnily dressed because he was a Adivasi, not a proper clothes. But can you believe in 3.5 years, 4.5 years, whatever is the duration, he was declared as the best student of KM Hospital. Passed his MBBS with gold medal, first class first. And then he could have joined the government service. But then he remembered immediately the second sentence which his mother had uttered. What was that second sentence? I want to be collector as well. He appeared for IS. In the first attempt, he cleared his IRS, that is Indian Revenue Service. But he said no. He gave a second attempt and he passed IS with flying colors. And today this gentleman, Dr. Rajendra Bharude, is a collector at Nanded. So is it possible, not possible? What you require is a confidence. And Rotary is one platform which will provide you the confidence. I think in the opening remark, Jalanji had said, our governor had said the same thing. What you require is a confidence, and this confidence Rotary gives you. All of us, you would be knowing that before you join the Rotary, probably our confidence level, and when you become president of the club, you can see the confidence level of yourself. Now there is a sea change. The personality development is the greatest gift which Rotary can give to all of us. So new Rotarians, you have chosen yourself. You are among the chosen few who have been given this particular opportunity to come up in the life. And the most important, yes, it's you want to develop personality. You want to develop your communication skills. You want to develop your interpersonal skills. You want to create a network. But at the same time, don't forget the society which has given you this opportunity to be on this particular platform. And this society, it expects you to do something. The great Marathi poet who passed away in I think about 2 weeks back, Mangesh Padgaonkar had told, beautiful Marathi poem. I hope all of you understand Marathi. If not, I will give running translation in English, because there are certain Marathi words which cannot be exactly translated in English. But I will give you the running translation. And it says, life is so good. Life is not bad. Life is not so, सांगा कसं जगायचं. कणत कणत का गाणं म्हणत तुम्हीच ठरवा, सांगा कसं जगायचं. डोळे भरून तुमची आठवण कुणीतरी काढतच ना. ऊन 2 घास तुमच्यासाठी वाढतच ना. दुवा देत असायचं का शाप देत बसायचं. मित्रांनो, तुम्हीच ठरवा, सांगा कसं जगायचं. थांबा, मला माहिती तुम्हाला टाळ्या वाजायची गरज. काळ्या कुट्ट काळोखात जेव्हा काही दिसत नसतं, दिवा देऊन तुमच्यासाठी कुणीतरी उभं असतं. प्रकाशात उडायचं का काळोखात कुडायचं. मित्रांनो, तुम्हीच ठरवा, सांगा कसं जगायचं. तिसऱ्या कडव्यात कवी म्हणतात, आयुष्याची वाट चालताना पायात काटे रुतात हे अगदी खरं असतं, आणि फुलं फुलून येतात हे काही खरं नसतं. फुलाप्रमाणे फुलायचं का काट्याप्रमाणे सरायचं? मित्रांनो, तुम्हीच ठरवा, सांगा कसं जगायचं. आणि शेवटच्या कड्यात कवी म्हणतात, पेला अर्धा सरला आहे असं म्हणता येतं आणि तोच पेला अर्धा भरला आहे असं सुद्धा म्हणता येतं. सरला आहे म्हणायचं का भरलाय म्हणायचं? मित्रांनो, तुम्हीच ठरवा, सांगा कसं जगायचं. आता बघा. Now let me give the real translation. The poet asked the question to himself, life is yours, ultimately you are the master of your own destiny. There is a beautiful saying by a Marathi saint, Sadhguru Amandrao Pai, late Sadhguru Amandrao Pai. He said, you are the architect of your own destiny. तूच आहेस तुझ्या जीवनाचा शिल्पकार. He said, why you forget when you go home? Somebody is waiting for you. It might be your wife, it might be your mother, it might be your sister-in-law, it might be your sister. और जब आप घर जाते हैं तो आपकी बीवी कहती है, रात को 10 बजे जाइए, 11 बजे जाइए, आपकी बीवी कहेगी, आप हाथ मुंह धो लीजिए, तब तक मैं आपके लिए खाना गर्म करती हूँ. Is it something where you should be seeking blessings of the God, or it is choice is yours whether you will be cursing God? क्योंकि जिंदगी के मालिक आप हैं. दूसरे में कहता है कि माना कि जिंदगी में अंधेरा है, लेकिन ये मत भूलो कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई दीप स्तंभ के माफिक खड़ा है. अब चॉइस आपका है, दीप स्तंभ से आने वाली रोशनी के पास देख करके अपनी जिंदगी पर मुस्कुराओगे या पीछे पलटकर अपने अंधेरे पर रोगे, क्योंकि चॉइस आपकी है, जिंदगी के मालिक आप. माना कि जीवन में कांटे हैं, कांटा मतलब दुख. एवरीबॉडीज लाइफ इज फुल ऑफ सॉरो, एगनी. बट लेकिन ये मत भूलिए, कुछ न कुछ, कम से कम छोटे से छोटे, कुछ न कुछ खुशियों के पल आते हैं कि नहीं आते हैं? आप भूल गए होंगे, मैं आपको याद दिलाता हूं. याद कीजिए दिन जब आपने एसएससी की परीक्षा पास की, क्या आप खुश नहीं थे? याद कीजिए दिन जब आपको कॉलेज में दाखिला मिला, आपके चॉइस के कॉलेज में दाखिला मिला. वेरी नॉट हैप्पी? रिमेंबर द डे व्हेन यू पास योर ग्रेजुएशन, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन विद फ्लाइंग कलर्स. वेरी नॉट हैप्पी? रिमेंबर द डे व्हेन यू गॉट योर फर्स्ट जॉब. वेरी नॉट हैप्पी? रिमेंबर द डे व्हेन यू रिसीव्ड योर फर्स्ट सैलरी. वेरी नॉट हैप्पी? हाउएवर meager it was. You know, my first salary was 800 rupees. But the day I counted those 800 rupee note, मैं दुनिया का राजा था. क्यों? इतने दिन बाप की कमाई, आज आपकी कमाई. Remember the day when you got married? At least for that day you were happy. उसके बाद रोना ही बात अलग है. इसलिए जब शादी होकर दुल्हन वापिस जाती है तो सारे रोते हैं, केवल दुल्हन नहीं रोता. दुल्हन को फूट फूट के रोती है और इसको कोनी मार के कहती है, आज के दिन मेरा लास्ट है, कल से तेरा नहीं. Leave the humor apart, ladies and gentlemen, but remember the day when you became proud father or proud mother for the first time. Were you not happy? Remember the day when your child started going to school and he got some prize in some competition and you were invited to grace the occasion. Grace the occasion. आपका सीना 4 इंच चौड़ा हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? Now the child would learn IT, he would learn computers, he would learn what not. Maybe I started on 800 rupees. My child, Vinod's child, might start on 80,000 rupees. फिर आपको खुशी होगी, जलन होगी, सारा मला 800 रुपए. विनोद क्या कहेगा? सर अपना छोकरा है. अब जब इतना पैसा कमाएगा तो जाहिर है बड़े घर की लड़की बहू बन के घर में आएगी और आपकी सेवा करेगी. आपको क्या कहेगी? आमच्याकडे मराठीमध्ये त्याला मामनजी म्हणतात, हिंदी में बाबूजी, क्योंकि that is a promotion you have. Initially you were only father, now you have become father-in-law. Don't call father-in-law, call father-in-law. Makes a big difference. फादर-इन-लॉ वो क्या कहेगी? बाबूजी आपके लिए नाश्ते में हलवा बनाऊं बादाम मार के? छोकरी को मालूम है बुढ़े के पास माल है. मकान बुढ़े के नाम पर ही है, इसका प्राइवेट फंड और ग्रेजुटी का हिसाब होना बाकी है. Leave the humor apart. But the point, ladies and gentlemen, I am trying to make is the second opportunity you are going to get. Another promotion in the life. You will become Dada or you will become Nana. और हमारे मारवाड़ी में कहते हैं अपनी औलाद तो मूल होता है और औलाद की औलाद सूद होता है और किसी भी बनिये का ध्यान मूल पर कम सूद पर ज्यादा होता है. आणि आपल्या मराठीत अशाच प्रकारची म्हण आहे, आपलं मूल हे दूध असतं आणि मुलाचं किंवा मुलीचं मूल ही दुधावरची साय असते आणि प्रत्येक मराठी माणसाचं लक्ष दुधावर कमी आणि दुधावरच्या साईवर जास्त. ये जीवन के कुछ अनोखे पल आपको ढूंढने पड़ते हैं सर. इसमें लेडीज बहुत होशियार होती है. जब भी पति के साथ झगड़ा होता है क्या करती है मालूम है मिसेस विनोद? आपको नहीं मालूम होगा, मैं बताता हूँ. क्या करती है? शादी का एल्बम निकालती है, ये विनोद के फोटो के पास देख के बोलती है, कौन होता तो तू मतलब क्या थे और क्या से क्या करेंगे. They try to remember the good old moments and thereby that gives them gives them a strength to bear those moments, current moments which are not so happy. It's a fantastic technique which you can learn from females. I can tell you, there is a lot to be learned from women. Lot to learn. I was conducting a training program at Chennai. I do conduct training program for family also. Marital harmony is my, the most favorite topic. I was conducting a program for couple, and one lady from there, she just came, she was angry, face red. वैसे साउथ इंडियन रेड होना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. अभी मैं कहां से रेड हो जाऊंगा? इतना ख्याल है तो रेड होने की संभावना है. Almost red. And she came and she said, Mr. Kabra, ये मेरा husband. बोला yes. मैं उसको इतना बढ़िया बढ़िया डिश बना के खिलाती हूँ, बकासुर जैसा खाता है. बकासुर, the good old stories you must know. बकासुर जैसा खाता है, उसको पूछे कभी उसने अप्रिशिएट किया? And that fellow was giving a smile over there. मैं बोला क्या रे तेरी बीवी क्या बोलती है? बोले सर पागल है. अभी 2 मिनट पहले क्या बोली? मैं बकासुर जैसा खाता है, इसका मतलब मुझे डिश अच्छा लगा, इसके लिए रिपीट देता है. मतलब I appreciate. तो मैं बोला अबे, what you require, you don't require appreciation by action, you require appreciation by words. एक 2 वर्ड बोलेगा तो तेरे बाप का बिगड़े. You see, most of us we don't appreciate. So I was very delighted and very fascinated when everybody who has contributed to the success of this particular event was appreciated. And please remember, it's a human psychological need to be appreciated. आपको मैं बोल देता हूँ सर, कल के जब ये फोटो लगेंगे, आपके मैगजीन में आएंगे या आपके क्लब के अंदर लगेंगे, आप चीफ गेस्ट को नहीं देखेंगे, विजय भाई जलान को नहीं देखेंगे, गवर्नर को नहीं देखेंगे, आप ऑडियंस में खुद को देखेंगे. It's a human tendency. Let me give an example. कल के मान लीजिए विनोद का एक फोटो लिया ऐश्वर्या राय के साथ और पेपर में आया. Now, he is doing some work. तीसरे का है विनोद तेरा फोटो है रे, सब काम छोड़ देगा, पहले न्यूज़पेपर लेके आएगा, हेडलाइन पढ़ेगा, स्टार्टअप समिट के बारे में पढ़ेगा नहीं, स्पोर्ट्स कॉलम के बारे में पढ़ेगा नहीं, पहले कौन से पेज पे जाएगा जहां पर फोटो है. किसको देखेगा? ऐश्वर्या को देखेगा तो खुद को देखेगा. ऐश्वर्या की तेल लगाएगा. The point is, this is human tendency. The most beautiful face to human being is his or her own face, however dirty it might be. मैं भी अपना फेस देखता हूँ. सिर्फ फोटोग्राफर को रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, बाबा रे मेरा फोटो डेवलप नहीं करना, क्योंकि नेगेटिव में हम लोग अच्छे दिखते हैं, पॉजिटिव होता है तो ओरिजिनल दिखता है. कभी कभी मुझे बड़ा दुख होता है, क्या भगवान ने कलर दिया, थोड़ा विनोद का कलर देता, गवर्नर साहब का कलर देता, पीडी जी का, ये मैडम का कलर देता, तो उसके बाप का देता. अब उनका कलर मुझे आने वाला है नहीं. I have to be happy and contented with what I have, and I have developed my own technology. What is the technology? I compare myself with the God. 95% gods are matching in my color. 90%. प्रभु श्री रामचंद्र का रंग काला, भगवान श्री कृष्ण काला, तिरुपति का बालाजी काला, केरल का अयप्पा काला, जगन्नाथपुरी का जगदीश काला, द्वारका का द्वारकाधीश काला, और हम मराठी लोगों का पंढरपुर का पांडुरंग देखिए काला. सर हमारे एक मित्र थे आशीष, किधर है आशीष? वो आए थे आशीष, हाँ अच्छा बाहर गए हैं. ओके, यहाँ पे सर बैठे हैं, हमारे गवर्नर पीडी जी जलान सर बैठे. क्लीन चकाचक आपके हैं भी थोड़े से. This boy was only 25 and not a single fellow left here. मेरे पास आके रोता था, देखो ना काबरा जी, भगवान ने क्या लोचा कर दिया. अब लोचा ये शब्द केवल गुजराती लोग समझ सकते हैं. सच्ची बात है. बोले आप कौन सी लड़की मेरे से शादी करेगी? मैंने उसको क्या किया, एक अंग्रेजी का वाक्य दिया, उसके बाद जिंदगी में कभी नहीं रोया. वाक्य था, God has created few perfect heads, the imperfect ones are covered with hair, and the more imperfect ones are covered with hair, more hair. So the point is, ladies and gentlemen, the thing which you cannot change, better accept it. But the things which you can change, can I not improve my confidence? Can I not change my attitude? Can I not change my communication style? Can I not improve my interpersonal skills and interpersonal relations? So where should I be spending time? On the things which I can change or the things which I cannot change is the first question. And Rotary gives you opportunity to accept the things which you cannot change and change the things what you can. And therefore, please join Rotary. Rotary. Please remember, coming together is the beginning. Staying together is, just coming together, progress, and working together is a success. Now, should we not work together?
Yes.
One Rotarian cannot do anything. One president cannot do anything. He requires the support of every member, and you must take that particular share. आपको याद है भगवान रामचंद्र जी को जब वहां पे जाना था, श्रीलंका जाना था, तो वहां पे थोड़ी यूपी स्टेट ब्रिज कॉर्पोरेशन था या कोई एफकॉन्स था या कोई अपना हिंदुस्तान कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी था, उनको तो ब्रिज अपने आप ही बनाना था, तो ब्रिज बना रहे थे। जब ब्रिज बना रहे थे बड़े बड़े पत्थर डाले गए, अब उस पत्थर के अंदर सीमेंट कंक्रीट का काम करना पड़ता है। यहाँ पे रियल एस्टेट वाले हैं सर, है ना, आपने तो स्पॉन्सर किया है इवेंट को। हाँ, या विनोद खुद रियल एस्टेट एजेंट है, मतलब रियल्टर्स बोल देगा, एजेंट नहीं बोल। Unless he has now diversified into construction also. Yeah, you have. Well, very soon you will. See, the point is, उसको सीमेंट डालना पड़ता है। अभी सीमेंट डालने का काम कौन करे? वहां पे छोटी सी गिलहरी है। अब वो गिलहरी क्या करती? अपने आप को पानी में जाके अपने आप के शरीर को भिगो लेती, फिर यहाँ पर आ जाती, फिर क्या करती? वो जो बालू होती थी उसके अंदर लोट पोट हो जाती, तो some of the sand particles will get stick to her body, then she would pass through those pathar, and as a result she was doing the cement concreting work for the whole day. And when the day it was almost sunset, वो बेचारी थकी हुई आके प्रभु श्री रामचंद्र जी के पास बैठ गई, तो भगवान को भी appreciation is from that time. उन्होंने क्या किया? They appreciated. And what did he do? Appreciation में उसकी पीठ के ऊपर से उन्होंने अपना हाथ घुमाया, और ये 3 उंगलियां उसकी पीठ पर आज भी मौजूद है गिलहरी को। इसके लिए आपका अप्रिशिएट करना पड़ेगा। छोटे से छोटा कंट्रीब्यूशन हो, every contribution is important. Every person has to work with a team. Is it required, not required? And the best example of teamwork, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to give you. In Bombay, we play this game, and this is called as Govinda, Matkito. All the management principles are there in this game. Planning, करते हैं नहीं करते हैं? Months together they plan. Every single event in the life has to be planned. This particular event, Himanshu and others, were you not planning for months together? Absolutely. आज के जमाने में बच्चा कब पैदा हो इसका भी प्लानिंग करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि अगर 30 जून को 3.5 साल का नहीं हुआ तो उसका एक एकेडमिक ईयर वेस्ट है, और बाद में हम लोग उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मूर्ख, नालायक। 15 दिन पहले आता तेरे बाप पैदा कर। At that time, because the child cannot speak anything because he is newly born. अगर बोल सकता तो क्या बोलता? प्लानिंग किसने करने का? तुमने करने का। Sir, I had read somewhere beautiful sentence. Planning to fail and failing to plan, both are management evils. But if you have to select between the two, please select the one. Plan and fail, but never fail to plan. So is it required, not required?
Yes.
So planning is required. Organizing, छोकरा लोग को इकट्ठा करना पड़ता है. Staffing, you have to put a right man for a right job. मेरे जैसा मजबूत आदमी किधर चाहिए? नीचे. सर किधर चाहिए? नीचे. और कोई 20-22 किलो का ऊपर, अगर उल्टा डाल दिया तो ये रविंद्र 20-22 किलो का इधर और अपन ऊपर, बाद में ढूंढना पड़ेगा। मैं नाश्ता हो तो कुत्ते गेला એના કારણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહેવાય છે સાહેબ, જેનો કામ તેનો ભાઈ બીજા કરીને હોતા है ना? अच्छा, सबका उद्देश्य एक ही होता है। क्या होता है उद्देश्य? We want to catch that, we want to break that हंडी। अब वो हंडी के दही के लिए मेहनत करते हैं, उसको हार होता है। हार कौन सा हार होता है? फूलों का नहीं, नोटों का हार होता है। और वो भी नोट कौन से? BMW नोट। मालूम है BMW? बहन मायावती नोट, क्योंकि मायावती 1000 के नोटों के नीचे का हार पहनती है। अब आपको क्या लगता है पहले फटके में आपको समुद्र में नहीं? And world is there to make sure your teamwork does not work. Therefore they pour water on you. They will put some coconut oil, some vegetable oil, if nothing else at least some soap solution, so that this will become slippery. And our friend there from 50 feet, अगर ये नीचे गिरा तो रहेगा कि इसका 2-4 जो कुछ बचा है वो भी, लेकिन उसके लिए हमारा ऑन साइट एंड ऑफ साइट इमरजेंसी कंट्रोल प्लान रेडी रहता है। And planning number 2, and some of us will stand like this and will catch him. Is it not? And once we catch him, तो बेचारे का क्या होगा? जो उसकी जो हड्डी है वो बच जाएगी। Now should we give up? Should we give up now? No. Now what happens is thereafter maybe 37 times you will fall, 41 times you will fall, but on 42nd time, this gentleman is able to get that currency notes garland, comes down and runs away with the note. Now what we will do? All along we did a teamwork to save his leg. Now we will do extra teamwork to break his leg. सफलता का बाप बनने के लिए सब तैयार हो जाते हैं, असफलता का फिक्र तो कोई नहीं लेता. Success has many parents, failure is an orphan. And my challenge to you, my suggestion to you would be, please accept take the debit to your account and give credit to your members. Your members will die for it. Forget about it for you. इसलिए I felt today very good. Generally club president और club secretary को सब felicitate करते हैं, लेकिन वो बेचारा membership development का director उसको कोई पूछता नहीं. Today for a change, Vinod bhai decided to felicitate them. ये जो hard work काम करने वाले रहते हैं, उनको felicitate कीजिए. Felicitation is the most important thing, and most important part is the role of a leader, whether he is a club leader, whether he is a zone chairman, whether he is a governor, is only to provide the direction. And that is the job which Vijay bhai had done during his year, and Subhash ji is doing during this year. And so many other governors will come and they will do it. Every president will have to do it. That is providing leadership, strategic leadership. And leader, according to me, ladies and gentlemen, should have only 3 qualities. That's all. Nothing else. One is love. Love for Rotary. Love for Rotary. Love for profession. Love for business what you are in. कई लोगों को मैं आपको ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी बताता हूँ. जिस बिजनेस में हम होते हैं, जिस प्रोफेशन में हम होते हैं, या जिस नौकरी में हम होते हैं, हमको क्या लगता है दुनिया का सबसे बेकार जॉब यही है. पिछली जिंदगी में पाप किया था सर, रियल्टर बन गया. इसका काम कितना अच्छा है. और बॉस के बारे में भी ऐसे होता है. मागच्या जन्मी पाप केला होता साहेब, हा विनोद माझा साहेब झाला. त्याचा साहेब किती चांगला. तो काय म्हणतो, तुला काय माहिती माझ्या साथ क्या चीज है, एक दिन काम कर तेरे को भी पता चलेगा. दूर से ढोल सुहाने लगते हैं. शेजाऱ्याच्या खिचडीवर तूप जास्त वाटतं, किंवा शेजाऱ्याची बायको हेमा मालिनी वाटते. उपयोगाची काय. I wanted to be doctor. I am a science student. My parents wanted me to be a doctor. And during those days, 1973, I passed my SSC with 69.84% marks. Almost Diwali was celebrated. साला पोट्टा बहुत यूज है. आज के तारीख में अगर किसी के बच्चे को, बेटे को, पोते को अगर 69.84 मिलेंगे, मातम मनाया जाएगा. क्यों? आपको कोई भी कॉलेज में एडमिशन नहीं मिलेगा. The college like Mithibai, the college like at Mulund we have Vazay Kelkar, their admission gets closed at 95%. Shri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi, the admission got closed at 98.4%. So I was admitted to medicine. I was admitted to science stream, and that time we knew only career guidance, only 2 things. लड़का या लड़की 60 के ऊपर है तो उसको साइंस देने का, साइंस में जाएगा तो 2 स्ट्रीम है, मेडिकल, इंजीनियरिंग. 45 और 60 के बीच में है तो कॉमर्स, वो कॉमर्स करेगा तो डेफिनेटली चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट रहेगा और कुछ नहीं बनेगा. और अगर 45 के नीचे है आर्ट्स, हमारे यहाँ तो बोल भी नहीं पाते थे, कुट्ट टाकलो कार्ट आर्ट. So I did pretty well, but my interest was always debates, elocutions and seminars. So it took a toll. I lost my medicine by 2 marks. I thank that I lost my medicine. नहीं तो पेशेंट का क्या होता भगवान ने. But my parents were keen that I must. I was shifted to veterinary college Parvani. I did pretty well. In fact, I stood first class first in first semester. फिर ठोकने का कोई कारण नहीं. मेडिकल का लास्ट था तो उधर अपने आप ही फर्स्ट आएगा ना. लेकिन सेकंड सेमेस्टर में जब वो डिसेक्शन के लिए वही लाया, मैं भाग गया वहां से. मैंने कहा ये अपने बाप से होने वाला है. Now during that time we had no opportunity to come back from science to arts. Today it is available. If you do 12 science, you can take admission to BA first year. It was not available, therefore I took chemistry as a least harmful subject. And that 2 years which I got, BSc second year and BSc third year, I utilized it to sharpen my skills as a trainer, and I had opportunity to debate with late Pramod Mahajan. Couple of debates he has defeated me, and couple of debates for a change I had also defeated him. Then I realized I came down to Mumbai. Ladies and gentlemen, forget of speaking fluently English. I was unable to speak even a single sentence in English. And then I realized that it is my weakness and I have to work on it. And today I can conduct training programs abroad. I have conducted 6 programs, out of which 2 programs are in America, 2 in China, 2 in Malaysia, and 1 in Uzbekistan. These people, Tata Institute of Social Sciences people had refused me admission because I come from a region which is Marathwada, which is most backward region of Maharashtra. And they said, you people, you are no good. So that day itself I took a vow. I had told them, कि ठीक है आज आपने मुझे एडमिशन नकारा है, one day I will come and teach your students. Yes. And after 15 years, I got a call from Tata Institute of Sciences. Sir, our students are eager to listen to you. I said, forget of students whether they are eager to listen to me or otherwise. I am eager and to deliver a lecture to your institute. The reason being very simple, it is you who have rejected me. I was waiting for this call. So the point is, जिंदगी में अगर एक बार आपने दृढ़ निश्चय कर लिया, दृढ़ संकल्प अगर कर लिया तो everything is possible. So what you require is a confidence. You require open mind. You see, in a Rotary you get to learn so many people. So look at our classification method. You will never have two people from same classification. Otherwise, what they will do? They will forget anything else. They will start talking about their profession. Here we have one doctor, we have an engineer, one we have a realtor, one we have somebody who is a trading person. Now you have to talk of subject matters of common interest, and that is where. And the speakers we invite, every topic is welcome to us. Every single topic is welcome to us. Tell me in a year, where are you going to get 52 eminent speakers to come to your club and deliver lectures on various topics? For every program, you have to pay the money otherwise. And here everything comes to you on platter. Now, is it not the biggest benefit of being Rotarian? Being Rotarian? You go to any part of the world, moment you say Rotarian, you are a Rotarian, you will get a red carpet welcome. I had been to Nepal, I had been to US. I had opportunity to deliver a lecture even in a Rotary Club of New Haven, near New York. I just told them that I am a Rotarian from so and so, I want to participate in the meeting. They just said, oh, you are from India, welcome. Could you talk something about Indian culture? So that day I became, by de facto, I became a guest speaker at Rotary Club of New Haven. So is this not an opportunity? And the most important, please remember, the biggest contribution of Rotary to the world is polio eradication. Today we are celebrating 5th year in succession when there has not been a single case reported of Rotary polio. The only two countries in the world, they still are. Just this morning I was listening to the news, JP Nadda, our health minister, was saying that only two countries in the world, they have still few cases left, and that is one is Afghanistan and second is Pakistan. And if these two countries, they are made polio free, the world would have become polio free. And the dream which our fellow Rotarians had taken at that time would come true. ये जो सपने देखने पड़ते हैं, ये सपने को पूरा करने की ताकत होती है जब सारे रोटेरियंस इकट्ठा जाते हैं. There is nothing impossible. Impossible ये शब्द निकाल दीजिए. Impossible में possible छिपा हुआ है. इनको कट मारिए possible. हिंदी में कहते हैं असंभव, अ को कट मारिए संभव. मराठी मध्ये बोलतात अशक्य, अ ला कट मारा शक्य. और उर्दू में कहते हैं नामुमकिन, ना को कट मारिए मुमकिन. Nothing is impossible in the world. What you require is only confidence. और confidence हम मराठी लोगों में जबरदस्त होता है. I call myself as a Marathi because I am a non-Maharashtrian. So my Marathi is much better than any of the Maharashtrian sitting over here is my challenge. I read 7,000 books in Marathi literature. Anybody? 7,000 books in Marathi literature. So the point is, हम मराठी लोगों का जो होता है ना कॉन्फिडेंस जबरदस्त होता है. और हम मराठी लोग क्या कहते हैं? लाद रलील की तो पानी कड़ी. हाँ, सही करके दिखाते. घर में जाते बीवी की पीठ में लात मारते हैं, उसकी आंख से पानी निकलता है. हंसने का कोई कारण नहीं, आजकल उल्टा होता है. बाइकोस देते सनसनी ठूर. अच्छा गया. The point is, and two examples I would like to give you of a confidence, and both are Maharashtrian. And one is Ragnar Paranjpe, who later on became Vice Chancellor of Mumbai University. This gentleman, he was from Pune, and all of us, we have appeared for SSC exam. Immediately the question paper, the first instruction comes, sir, you have to tell me how much time I have. मैं प्रोफेसर हूँ और अभी तक का मेरा रिकॉर्ड 16 घंटे का. We had started at 6 o'clock in the morning and we concluded at 10 o'clock in the evening. वो भी केटर आया, बोला सर आपको खाना खाना है तो फिर बंद कीजिए, नहीं तो मैं दुकान बंद करके जा रहा हूँ, और अगर नहीं खाना है चलने दीजिए. I know all of you know because there are so many programs which have been lined up. So I won't take whatever Vinod says is final. If he says 5 minutes, I'll take 4 minutes and 59 seconds. All right. So well, gentlemen, we were talking about the confidence, and this gentleman when he saw the instruction, the first instruction written always is attempt any 6 questions, all questions carry equal marks, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. So out of 10 questions, the paper was of mathematics. This gentleman attempted all 10 and he wrote an instruction for invigilator on answer sheet. Check any 6 questions. And still he got 100 out of 100. कर खुद ही को बोला इतना है तो भीड़ से पहले खुदा तुझसे पूछे बता बंदे तेरी रजा क्या है. The second example is again Maharashtrian gentleman from Raigad district, place called Roha, the first finance minister in Nehruji's cabinet and the first governor of Indian origin, late Chintaman Rao Deshmukh, popularly known as CD. Now this gentleman, when he passed his ICS exam and the results were declared, this gentleman was playing with table tennis bat and ball all by himself because there was no partner. So he was hitting the ball on the wall and play. Somebody came and told him, "Hi, Chintaman, our results have been declared." Now tell me, ladies and gentlemen, if any one of us would have been here, what would have been our reaction? Hey, tell me what happened. This gentleman continued playing. And you know the question he asked? Tell me who stood second. ये proactive approach होता है. Now, before I conclude, I would like to play a small video. Just 3 minutes. Why we should take a lead? क्योंकि आज हमने भगवान ने हमको we are selected chosen few. We have to take a lead. We have to take a proactive approach. And let me tell you, if we people come together, we start up the activity. You know, now these days we talk of startups. So we do a startup here. Sir, we do a startup here. We can tell you, we can remove this world. We can make this world free from poverty. We can make this world free from ill health. Free from, there is not a single fellow who will be illiterate. These pledge Rotary can take. Rotary and Lions, these are the world's 2 largest non-government organizations. And most transparent behavior. Absolutely, people will have confidence in us. Only one question which we need to ask, every Rotarian need to ask himself. अगर इस दुनिया से रोटरी और लायंस क्लब हट जाएंगे तो क्या दुनिया हमको मिस करेगी? और अगर इसका जवाब हाँ आता है तो साथियों कहीं ना कहीं हमें अपनी प्राथमिकताओं को दोबारा ढूंढना पड़ेगा. लेकिन अगर कहेंगे कि नहीं, आज हमने चेक डैम बनाया, आज हमने ये सब कुछ किया, इसके कारण कि कुछ लोगों के जीवन में हमने फर्क किया, तब I think it's a time to celebrate. And before I play on this video, because after the video I will come down, let me recite the most beautiful poem. This has been a very, is it there? Is it not there? So did you not copy? Okay, you please copy it. It's a lead India. And if he can do a turnaround, why not we mighty Rotarians? I call myself as a mighty Rotarians. भगवान ने हमें सब कुछ दिया है. हमारे पास पैसा है, हमारे पास इज्जत है. I tell always, my governor, Suresh Bhai, used to tell, I was the past president in 2001-2002. My governor used to tell me only one thing. He used to say, every Rotarian can give 3 things to the Rotary. 1, time, 2nd, talent, 3rd, treasury. And if you can give all 3, nothing like that, God bless. If you cannot give all 3, give 2. If you cannot give all 2, give 1. At least give something. देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेता घेता देणाऱ्याचे हात घ्यावे. The heart which gives in abundance receives in plenty. And let me, are you through? You have got it? Yeah, lead India. Yeah. Oh, you got it? Yeah, just tell me if you are not got it. It's not working? Oh, I don't know. How come? Just please help. See, it is always trouble. Technology and spouse is never available when you want. If it works, it's okay. If it doesn't work, it's still it is. It's hardly 3 minutes. It's hardly 3 minutes. If it works, nothing like that. The trial, other one, there is another trial. Got it? नहीं? जाने दो, छोड़ो. नहीं मिलता है. अगर मिला तो मेरे को इशारा कर देना, नहीं मिला तो वैसे इशारा कर देना. Okay. Now please sing, and the poem I will recite later. All right? Could you switch on the lights for a minute? The only disadvantage is I am not visible. Yeah, please. अभी आया था क्या हो गया? Again problem with technology. Same problem.
सर आपके लिए उस पार कार का इंतजाम किया है कुछ करो ना।
मेहमान जाके क्या उखाड़ लिया?
कैसी जाने बूंदे आई जाने कैसे तू बता दे कौन तुझको पालेगा कौन होगा वो मसीहा जिसे तू ढूंढता है दूरी है तू वही है तेरा रास्ता है मुझमें तेरा है सहारा तू तुझको पार लेगा तू ही है तेरा किनारा मुझमें तेरा रास्ता है मुझमें तेरा है सहारा तू ही तुझको पार लेगा तू ही है तेरा किनारा ढूंढता
Lights. Lights on. Well, what message? You take the lead. शुरुआत कीजिए, आपके साथ कब लोग आ जाएंगे और कब कारवा बनेगा आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. And let me conclude. Before that, let me thank organizers, more particularly Himanshu, Lalit ji, our PDG, Vijay ji, our governor sir, and my friend, best friend Vinod, for inviting me here. Let me conclude this by reciting a beautiful poem. This has been the poem which I admired most, and the poem goes something like this. There are 3 stanzas, so please hold on for clapping, because I know you are very keen to clap. But please hold on, hold your breath, and listen to every word of this poem. This poem has changed and transformed my life. And this poem goes something like this. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर गिरती 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना नव से अखरता है. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं. होल्ड ऑन. डुबकियां सिंधु में जब गोताखोर लगाता है, डुबकियां सिंधु में जब गोताखोर लगाता है, जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौटाता है. मिलते न सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता दुना उत्साही से हैरानी में. मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं. Again. Patience is the most important quality which every Rotarian should have. And the last one, असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक सफल न हो नींद चैन की क्या हो तुम. हे मेरे दोस्त, संघर्षों का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Thank you very much.